My next guest is an acupuncture physician based here in Key West. She's very passionate about the total health, happiness, and extended youth of her clients, and she'd like to share some information about acupuncture with us this morning, specifically talking about the benefits it has on the body. Miranda, thank you for being with me today.
Hi, Jenna. How are you doing?
Good, good. And now, Miranda, okay, I understand. I told our viewers you're an acupuncture physician. If they aren't familiar with acupuncture, could you just fill us in on what exactly it is?
Absolutely. Acupuncture is one branch of Chinese medicine, which includes needlework, body work, manual therapy, herbalism, and breath work, or qigong. And the acupuncture is a way of stimulating and redirecting the messages between the brain and the neurons and the neural system in the body.
Okay. Now, how exactly does an acupuncture treatment work?
Well, the first time you come in, I'll take a constitutional diagnosis. I take an interview of you based on your individual traits, strengths, weaknesses, health patterns, past history, and this is an overall diagnosis which can include even emotional aspects as well as physical aspects. It's a holistic medicine, so we are working with balancing mind, body, and spirit, and we believe that emotional stress can lead to physical stress as well. So we want to balance all aspects of the body.
Okay. Now, how many treatments would a patient normally need for it to really become effective, Miranda?
The recipe is usually that the longer the imbalance has been going on, the more treatments that you will need. So an acute pain, something that just happened, you got in an accident yesterday or pulled a muscle yesterday, chances are a few treatments.
Just a few, okay. Now, who really would benefit from acupuncture? Like, tell our viewers who would benefit the most from this.
Everyone benefits from acupuncture. Acupuncture is preventative medicine. So you can come in at any time to feel better, to see your acupuncturist. You can come in when you have a small problem, you can come in when you have a large problem, but it is a preventative medicine, so we encourage people to come in and get regular care as you would a chiropractor, a massage therapist, etc. It's rarely used for emergency medicine. That's when you would go to the hospital, you have a heart attack, you have a broken leg, probably you would go to the hospital.
Right.
But we deal with pain, ongoing pain, psychological disorders, hormone therapy, fertility. Very, very effective medicine for fertility. It's the oldest fertility medicine known, and it's very effective, little to no side effects.
Now, I've heard that acupuncture, and you can tell me if this is true or not, maybe you've seen it in some of your patients, but I've heard that it can really treat addiction. Is that true?
Yes, absolutely. A lot of addictions come from habitual patterns in our brain, and these chemical patterns, even our emotions, are chemically created. So by changing that chemical pattern that has been going on in our brain, we can lose that addiction. We can grow out of that addiction. We can change the messages that are going to our brain that say, I need this or I need that substance to feel this way.
So acupuncture can help heal that. And now, how many years have you been doing this for, Miranda?
I've been in practice 7 years now.
7 years. Now, do you have like a specific success story that comes to mind of one of your clients or someone you've treated that just has had so many benefits from acupuncture?
Yes, well, my first few years out of school, I worked in a naturopathic cancer clinic, and that was definitely my most unforgettable experience of healing that I've been through thus far. And we used methods such as acupuncture, colon hydrotherapy, chiropractic, live blood cell analysis, diet change. Nutrition is a huge part of acupuncture and Chinese medicine. We learn a lot about nutrition and exercise to to heal clients, and we believe that your food is your medicine, like Hippocrates said. So it's very important to be aware of your diet as a healing method.
So during your time there, you found that you just saw how effective it was with the patients you were treating?
Well, we were the whole clinic was bringing in cancer patients with terminal diseases and releasing many of them without any disease.
Really?
And that was by far the most amazing gift I had since I've been in practice, to see that happen.
Okay. Now, how much would a treatment cost if someone's interested in getting it?
Typically, an acupuncture treatment is about $100. And many insurances now accept acupuncture, and workers' comp accepts acupuncture. But otherwise, a typical treatment is $100 in Key West.
Okay, so it's fairly reasonably priced, and they have to come back, though, of course, for a couple of treatments, but you're saying that it just depends on the person and their situation as to how many times.
Absolutely.
Okay, now if people want to get this treatment done, Miranda, if they want to come to you, where should they go, or what's the number they should contact?
You can contact me at 305-747-8382. Or you may contact Nail Teeny. I'm working out at Nail Teeny, and I also do out calls.
Okay, great. Well, thank you for sharing all this information with all of us this morning.
Thanks for having me.
I'm going to be right back after these messages, everyone, with one of your candidates for State Representative Ian Whitney. Stay with me.